How to fix Snapchat lags in Redmi Note 13. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then swipe up to power off your device and turn back on. After that, open settings and then scroll down and click on apps. And then click on manage apps and search here Snapchat and then click on storage. Now first of all clear your Snapchat storage. After clear your Snapchat storage, then go back to your main page of your settings and then click on about phone. Now click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and delete your Snapchat and reinstall your Snapchat. After install your Snapchat, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.